What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, the infamous Drez, here today with another unboxing of a new pair of shoes. Today I got something really nice that I've been looking forward to the whole year. I would probably say this is the best release of 2020 in my opinion. Today we got the new Pro of the Kobe Green Apple Grinch Kobe 6. This shoe right here, definitely in my opinion, very biased. I'm probably the biggest Kobe fan ever, but this is definitely the best release of 2020 in my opinion. This shoe is just so crazy to me because like this was one of the first shoes I found out about when I first got into shoes. I got into shoes probably back in 2010, and this shoe came out in 2010 Christmas. This was a Christmas drop 2010. I remember literally watching the game on ABC with Kobe wearing these with the red laces versus LeBron when LeBron played on the Heat, and like, you know, I witnessed greatness. I was Kobe near the end of his prime and stuff. And it's just crazy how life comes back full around in the shoe game and shoes come out a second time. I'm very happy that Nike re-released this shoe. This shoe to me holds a special place in my heart because this is like one of the first shoes I ever really discovered was Heat and whatnot. This shoe originally came out in 2010, I want to say for like 115 bucks. And now the shoe came out 10 years later on December 24th. Christmas Eve 2020 for $180. This shoe obviously sold out everywhere you could find it because, you know, Kobe died and there's such a huge resale market for the Grinch Kobe 6 because the Grinch Kobe 6 is probably like the most mainstream Kobe, and it's also one of the most Heat Kobe's. But yeah, so this shoe sold out everywhere. I had this shoe marked on my calendar as soon as images leaked on Soul Collector and stuff, and you know, I paid resale for these, I ain't gonna lie. So they got me pretty good on the resale, but this shoe to me is worth every penny. It's like, you know, it's a really loud shoe, but you know, you got the upper with the snake scales on it and everything. And the snake scales, everything is lime green and green apple. It's like, where do you start? The laces are lime green, and they also come with the alternative red laces. It has the Kobe Bryant signature on the back heel plate. The back heel plate's kind of like a plastic. It comes with a black Nike check on the side as well. It has the Kobe logo right on the tongue as well. It also has another Kobe hit on the outsole. It comes with some carbon fiber on the inside, which is also a nice little hit. The shoe, compared to the 2010 version, is definitely a little brighter than the old one. And then also they reworked some of the Zoom Air stuff to make it a little more modern. It's a little hard to see it right here, but it has a zoom panel on the side. But yeah, but otherwise the shoe's really close to its original form in 2010. Honestly, you would really not even notice it's a little bit different. The green apple and the green on the top of the shoe is definitely a little bit brighter, but this shoe is everything I wanted it to be. Another really cool thing about these shoes is the insoles have a nice little message on them too and whatnot. On the right insole, it says, "I want a shoe that," and then it has the KB for Kobe Bryant. And then on the left insole, "molds to my foot," and then the 24, because Kobe switched from 8 to 24, if you didn't know, in the middle of his career. So the whole message is, "I want a shoe that molds to my foot." You know, Kobe, he was a really athletic player. He used to move around a lot, depended on his athleticism a lot. And, you know, he wanted a shoe that really gripped his foot and could catch him with where he was going and stuff. So, like, that was the whole thing he was going for with the Kobe 6 and whatnot. The Kobe 6 is personally my second favorite shoe model of all time. I love the Kobe 6. At one point, I probably had like 8 to 10 colorways of the Kobe 6. The Kobe 6 is iconic in my opinion. Very biased though. It also comes with a nice traction pad on the outside. These are amazing shoes to play basketball in. If you've never played basketball in a pair of Kobe 6s, you're definitely missing out. They're an amazing shoe to play basketball in. Another really cool detail of the shoe is that on the front heel tab, it's kind of hard to see because it's a lime green on lime green, but it says Phenomenon, which is a funny way that Kobe wanted to incorporate his Black Mamba lifestyle into it. So instead of Phenomenon, he put Venom for a snake, Phenomenon. But you know, it's a really dope part, but a lot of people that aren't in the know, they'll never even notice that that's on the front toe box. Also, you know, Kobe Bryant was well known as the Black Mamba, so that's why the whole upper of the shoe, it got the whole snake scale to it and everything, which is really cool. Not too many people are into the scales all too much, but I think the scales make the shoe. The shoe also has a translucent green outsole, which is really cool and it's pretty unique. Not too many shoes have a translucent green outsole. The outsole does yellow a bit if you beat it up, but like you really have to beat it up for it to get yellow because it got the green tint to it. But that's really cool. Another thing that I noticed, they changed on the shoe box, not the shoe, but they took off the scales. The original box used to have the same kind of scale print that the shoe has on the upper. The original Kobe 6 boxes had these scales and they say Phenomenon. So they took that off, and you know, I'm not the biggest fan that they took that off, but you know, it's all right. It's just the shoe box. What we really care about is the shoes. But yeah, man, this shoe is amazing in every which way and form. It's a really loud shoe. I'm really happy I got this. I'll definitely probably say this is my favorite comp of the year. I looked forward to this all year. Ever since Kobe died, it was just like, that made the year really terrible, and I'm really happy Nike re-released this very close to its original form. Long live Kobe Bryant. But yeah, let me know how you got these shoes in the comments. Let me know if you paid resale, if you hit on sneakers. I wish I would hit on sneakers, but yeah, this shoe is amazing. I don't really have no complaints with it. There's definitely a classic shoe. So leave in the comment boxes below anything you would like to critique about the video, anything you want to see me get better on, any review you want to see me do in the future. You can follow me on Instagram at _InfamousWorldNetwork. I post on there my YouTube videos with the link to my YouTube videos. Every little thing helps. I would really appreciate that. Like, comment, subscribe. I follow back, so you know, just hit me up on social media. I'm friendly and whatnot. I appreciate everybody watching as always. God bless and have a great day. Yeah, let me just look something up super quick. Oh man, let me take a quick look. Yeah, 2010, that is true, wow. That is so crazy. Yeah, nah, honestly, I feel so old with the shoe shit, because I remember when these came out in 2010, and it's so crazy, because it's like, fucking, when you've been in it long enough, you see the shits come back out.
11 years later, bro.
Fucking, yeah, but honestly, they probably would have never re-released it if Kobe didn't die.
Yeah.
Like, Kobe dying, now they're trying to market off that shit, sell a bunch of his shit and shit.
Yeah.
Fucking, well, alright.